Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy short videos. My dear friends, today we are going to discuss Cognium syrup. I have already uploaded Cognium tablet. Now this is Cognium syrup. This is also herbal brain tonic. Cognium syrup, herbal brain tonic for healthy memory function. This syrup helps to improve the concentration and focus. Cognium syrup helps to maintain healthy memory function. Cognium syrup helps to reduce the brain exhaustion. This helps to reduce the brain fog. My dear friends, in today's competitive world, many students suffer from lack of concentration, inability to recall, and difficulty in memory retention. Cognium syrup is a herbal brain support. Herbs like Brahmi and Mandukparani promote concentration and memory recall. Vacha improves the speech functions. Shankapushpi boost memory and promote intellectual functions. Cognium syrup contains Shankapushpi, which is known to boost memory and promote intellect. Cognium syrup contains Brahmi, which improves the cognitive function and improves the memory and recall. Cognium syrup contains Mandukparani, which is antioxidant and improves the blood circulation to the brain. Cognium syrup contains Jyotishmati, which is a neuroprotective and reduces the stress and anxiety. Cognium syrup contains ashwagandha, which is adaptogenic and anxiolytic. This reduces the stress and anxiety. What is the dose of cognium syrup? 1 teaspoon twice or thrice a day. This costs around 165 rupees cognium syrup. My dear friends, if you want to hear such type of interesting short videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.